Hello guys, hello everyone, and welcome to another weekly news video. I am Styliana Charalambous, the head of investments and market research at Pure Fintech, and in today's video we're going to sum up the previous week's highlights. We're going to see how the market reacted on the news and what are the most important and major economic events of the current week. The most important event of the previous week was the non-farm payroll and unemployment change on Friday. Job growth rose far more than expected in January, despite surging Omicron cases that seemingly sent millions of workers to the sidelines. Non-farm payroll surged by 467,000 for the month, while the unemployment rate edged higher to 4%, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. The Dow Jones estimate was for payroll growth of 150,000 and a 3.9% unemployment rate. The stunning gain came a week after the White House warned that the numbers could be low due to the pandemic. The job gains brought employment back to about 1.7 million below where it was in February 2020, a month before the pandemic declaration. Stocks were mixed on the report and volatile. Government bond yields spiked, with the benchmark 10-year Treasury note rising to 1.91%. Markets have been anticipating an inflation-fighting Fed to hike interest rates at least 5 times in 2022, so the resilient jobs market is likely to do little to dissuade that sentiment. Now let's see a bit what happened with Facebook in the previous week. Meta has announced a sharp decrease in profitability in its first earnings report since Zuckerberg announced a directional change toward the metaverse. When the earnings were announced, Meta shares dropped by more than 20%. This will be equivalent to a $175 billion reduction to the company's market capitalization. Now, let's go to the crypto news of the previous week. A warning on crypto tax, guys. The CEO of financial software giant Intuit Incorporation warned the US investors in speculative assets like Bitcoin and NFTs should watch out for the year's tax bill. Just a few weeks ago, the IRS warned that it will be clamping down on NFT traders that had not paid the tax and that they owe. This came amid serious confusion from investors regarding what they were due to pay. According to the Intuit CEO Susan Goodarzi, we're gonna see a lot of that through tax session where folks just didn't understand what they did. And there's a lot of millennials that really did a lot of trading without knowing what the implications are. That's what the CEO of Intuit said. Let's see also what happened with Ethereum and Solana in the previous week. One of the most popular bridges that allows the likes of Ethereum and Solana to connect, Wormhole, has suffered a possible hack worth as much as $326 million. Analysts noticed that 80,000 Ethereum transactions from the bridge to an address that currently holds a full $250 million in Ethereum. It has been further noted that the Wormhole team has attempted to contact the thief's address, offering a $10 million bounty for the safe return of the funds. One worry for investors is that some Ethereum that was bridged to Solana may stand unbacked. Now guys, let's move into the current week's news. The key release of the week is likely to be United States inflation for January, though gross domestic product data are updated for both the UK and Taiwan, and central bank policy meetings are scheduled for India and Indonesia. US January inflation data will be released this Thursday, with the consensus pointing to a slight slowdown in inflation at 0.4% for heading CPI and 0.5% for core CPI for January. However, that will still push the annual rate up to 7.2% from 7%, which could make for a headline-catching 40-year rate high. While the easing in the monthly rate tallies with recent IHS Markit PMI price data, the survey data also indicated a further worsening of United States supply bottlenecks in January, which is likely to keep inflation elevated in coming months. That's all the most important news of the current week, guys. Also, that's what happened in the previous weeks in the crypto and financial markets. If you have any questions or if you want to open a trading account with us, you can contact us through our website or our social media. We'll be more than happy to help you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and wishing you a profitable trading week.